Good morning, guys! For today's video, asa yung tapo ito, Ticham?
Gucci Tunnel.
Gucci Tunnel, and then
Mekong Delta River.
Mekong Delta River. Actually, wala siya ko kabalo. Kaya di ako nag-prepare sa...
Wala idea.
Kani, si Ate Cham. Pakita ko ito. Disney Princess ako today. Ay, dili, ako may
Always maka
Ako man ako.
Hindi, siya ang vlogger.
Oo, ako may na-assign sa vlogging.
Na-assign.
After mga 1.5 hour, abot may aning handicraft showroom. Then si ate girl here, ihang gina-explain ang process sa pagbuhat o lacquerware made from eggshells and seashells, no? So, na-explain niya kung saka meticulous ang process from material production up to the final product. And then, gipakita po niya sa ilahang showroom. So, naa dito ang mga final product. Kaya lang, bawal mag-record and take photo. So, wala may naka-picture. Wala po may nagpalit, hey.
Next stop, Gucci Tunnel. So diri, we will experience firsthand ang life sa mga Vietnamese people during the war against the US, where they lived underground in tunnels. So karon diri among guide nag-demonstrate yung sa nila pag-survive against the US during the war. Next question, giunsa nila pag-breathe underground. So they made this fake termite hill with holes para na air access sa outside world.
When they fall down the drop, they will rolling, and they make the rock in the land on the waist.
And then here they showed their traps for the Americans. Next, ang armpit trap, hulog, matusok yung ilong. Kung ay pinakasakit for me.
We have more spine. So when they fall down one side will know better. Yeah, and we make the drop.
Then kani, durian trap daw ni, ihang daw sa mga trees. Patamakan ni mo siya sa ground, ay ma-release nga something, and then bang! May kudain ka.
Yeah, touching the body of the shoulder. It is very heavy. It's very heavy. Yeah. Okay, and this one.
And then ang next, kani daw si door trap. No? So pagkahuman, swing man ni siya. Pagkahuman, isipaon man daw sa Amerika ng mga door. Sipa, ma-release daw siya, bang! O, diba naigok? Then diri, military weapon bunker ni sila where they recycled ang mga gunpowder sa mga bombs sa US to make their own bombs, make their own landmines. O diba, like this one. Bright sila.
Genzi kayo mo.
Dili na siya sound effects lang ha. Real na siya nga gunfire from AK-47. Kain na nato sa shooting range.
Oh. Okay, niyoko na ko. Yoko. Oh my God, what the fuck? I cannot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. Very good. Abs. Okay na ka, Abs? Kaya? Kaya. Oh my God. What is this? Sit down. What the heck?
That's the dili ko mo bend kay mo sit down man gid ko.
What? Sabi na mong isudlan.
Panelist.
My God. Oh, gitgitay ka ayo. Toke. Toke. Ah! I'm scared.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
Where? Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I love it. I see why guys cannot go. Successful. I like it. Hindi siya pwede sa claustrophobic.
Do you have a fear of small spaces?
Yeah. Ano? Oh, di ba? 1 minute na ano?
Yeah. Okay, careful, careful. Okay, look at me. I'll take one photo for you. Bye. Careful, careful, just there. Okay, you take a photo first.
Cassava. Cassava. Yeah.
Very nice.
Go, Ate Jam!
Yeah, yeah.
Ayan daw.
Okay, get your inside. Slowly. Yes, yours. Yeah, nice. Okay, look at the camera. Smile. Yeah.
Yay!
Okay,
Sige, go slowly.
Okay, good. Very easy, right? Okay, come back now.
Yay!
Okay, give me one more. Who wants to try more?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah!
Yay!
It's a stop. You try? No? You try?
No.
Sa imong nakuha ani nga tour sa Cochi Tunnel Dam?
Grabe, yun. As in, ako pasalamat. Ano ko, Lord, salamat. Nabuhi ko karon nga panahon. Kaya dahil mamatay ko sa akong nanay. Ano ako yun? Ay, apil na po sa nabang. Wala kasi very grateful na kumana na anak ng girl. Salamat. Then silong ng Ari Dams. Ay, bago na tang tanan dams. Gihubag man sa Darlene Merda. Mga na ang mga kuhan nga.
Uy, dito na pin.
Na dito nag-wheezing.
Oh my God.
Na nag-wheezing diri.
Na, bumbahan na. Nadamay pag ginakubang kauban. Where in where? Asa ka natin?
Province. I don't know.
Asa Cabs?
Tiangiang Province.
Tiangiang Province. Wow. Wala pang ka-function akong brain at this moment because
So breezy here.
wa pa may kakaon guys. Let's do na kapin. The heck? Hala, ang tubig diri kay murag tubig sa mong sapa.
Hibong River.
Hibong River.
Hibong River Promax.
Hibong River? Is that you?
Oh my God.
Oo. Kopi ko brown.
Kopi ko brown.
This is the sticky rice and
Red tilapia.
Red tilapia.
Okay, we have with the rice paper with fish. We had it a cucumber. We had a lettuce here, and we had a noodle. They rolled together. Yeah, you with the tomato sauce, the round one. Yeah, and then we had an egg of Chinese sauce. In a sticky rice flour with vegetable and
dip. What's the dip? And this
Tamarind sauce.
Ay, tamarind. Sige. How is it? Yummy?
Ito lang.
Chứ ai về miền đất phương Nam cho đôi trăm người.
Asa ta karon Dems?
Ay, sa
Sila sa ilang coconut factory sa Dragon Island eh.
Candy factory.
Look. Coconut candy factory.
This machine will roll it one more time. Then brush this, and we had a coconut milk. Oh, we had one side coconut milk here, and we had a dry coconut powder. This for us after. Yeah, it's very dry. ALT.
Malt.
Malt. Malt, right? Okay, malt. And we're something for you. We had a coconut candy with peanut. You try first. Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah, let's try this. This is a coconut candy with peanut.
I don't like lagi. Bangka. Kanya mo lamig ka na mo. Pila ni? Snack lang ba?
Cracker. It's made with a coconut powder, sticky rice, and malt. Yeah, we mix together and we brew it. You can have direct or we can have with ice cream. Yeah, we have with the short tea coffee. Instead of we have with the peanuts inside. Okay, and we have with the licorice inside. Okay, and now who wants to try this?
Ew. Oh no. Look at the jams.
Okay, give this and we will with you. Give this. I will bring it with you. Okay, Morris.
That's a snake wine.
What's that?
Snake wine and lizard.
Oh my god. Di ko kaya te.
Okay, Homer.
Murag tanduay? Pasimuta lang, maybe.
Isa kayo. Ako lagi ginumilit ninyo.
Murag tuba.
Cow snake. Mom. Cow snake. Mom. Hi. Ba. Yo.
Bate Jack. Cheers.
I'll share for you.
No more stock. In around it, 15 to 20.
Hindi na siya, alcoholic lang siya. Pero, tamis, a little bit sweet. Wala na gumakong nawong.
Okay, it's not like we had it. They got a snake on the bottom. Be this very friendly, don't worry. Okay, and this is where we have some of the first one. We got dragon fruit. Yeah, with a dragon fruit. We have free time.
American Tawag ng tanghalan, contestant number 3.
Gánh dừa 10 đôi em gánh về cho kịp chợ chiều ghé tình
cái cô em có còn đừng em mau cho dài cho bà.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Darbs! Xin chào! Xin chào! Okay. We're on.
Beef Poland.
Beef.
Yeah, no sashimi.
Sorry, beef Poland. Apparently.
Yeah, beef Poland from the Longan Lao.
Oh, from Longan flour. Okay, I see.
Jasmine tea.
Let's try this. Happy get a weekend.
Lami.
Ang dagat kita ganap pula na gyud.
Lami siya, Darbs.
Kami. Malagaling pa dyan sa pwede. Hindi mabahin na content. Sa kadagdaguan.
Ay, yan ang part.
Good evening. So we're here at Pho, Vietnam. Kapay kamot. Kapuya malay kayo mag-vlog. Uy, like literally bago pag sura kain ko diri gikan sa binag. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh my, this is the life of a showgirl. Mother Tay Tay. Vietnam is rated by Michelin as 4 stars, so we are expecting a good pho. This is the pho. Pho in hot stone. This is the pho, guys. So kani siya. Ibutang ni siya diri sa hot stone. Okay.
Lahit din ang taste. Dahil tingin eh. Kana mas bulalot.
How's your pho?
Fantastic.
Yours. Hala. Na pressure.
Pagkalami.
Wala.
Ikaw dapat
Fast small ako.
And that's the end of my vlog. Goodbye. Till next time.